Hello everybody and welcome back to another cleaning video. Here in this video I've put an hour on the clock and I'm doing a power hour clean with me. I hope that you enjoy it and it gives you some cleaning motivation. I'm going to put on some music and I will talk a little bit throughout. And yeah, just I hope that you enjoy the video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
I'm using Country Garden Sephora. I like to use this on my sides with one of those like spongy cloths. It just is a lot easier, really nice, and it smells absolutely amazing.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
When I'm cleaning my sides, I do like to take everything off the sides, even if it's just a light clean, because basically what happens then is I've got the whole space to clean it and then I just put it all back on. It doesn't take long at all. So yeah, that's what I do.
Just watch me.
On my cooker today, I'm using Sif. I usually use the pink stuff, but I've run out, unfortunately, and Sif is just as amazing. It's basically the same thing. So I'm using that and I'm just scrubbing it. I've run out of a minky. I don't have any minkies at the moment. I need to get some more, and that makes this a lot easier, this process. But at the moment I'm using a sponge and then the spongy cloth just to wipe off the excess.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you.
As you can see, it's an absolute mess, to be honest. That's just Harrison with his toys. I first like to put everything away before I do any cleaning, because if things are in my way, it's just not going to get done. So I put everything away, and I think this toy box is a little bit broken, and that's because we need a really good clear out, a good declutter. And I've also lost one of the pillars that go on here, which I don't know where it's gone. But yeah, I'm just tidying up, and then I'm going to clean, give it a good little clean around. I haven't got a lot of time, it is only 60 minutes, so it won't be a deep clean, but it'll be enough to keep me happy.
It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. Next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
I could run through the fire.
So my hallway has got a bit of a mess in a short space of time. As you all know, I've been working full time, so things have just been getting on top of me. That little bag there, or big bag should I say, was a bag of decluttering of clothes from Jonathan, and that is just got to go to the charity shop. So I've put it outside for now until I put it in the car, and then I'm just decluttering the hallway a little bit before I give it a good clean. On my mirrors, I like to use white vinegar and just basically blue roll really, so some kitchen roll, but I didn't have any, so I had some party napkins, so I used that and it just works the same. So yeah, I've done that on all my mirrors, just because it actually comes up smear free and doesn't leave any bits, which I like. So that's what I do with my mirrors.
If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red,
I could run through the fire.
60 minutes up. The timer is done. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Bye.